In this video, I show you how to boot Windows from USB with simple method. In this video, I want to boot 3 Windows on one USB flash drive. It is Windows 10, 11 and 7 ISO. Open your favorite browser. On the search bar, type here Ventoy, hit enter. Scroll down, open this GitHub link. It is Ventoy. Scroll down, click on 96 release. Scroll down. If you use Windows, click on Ventoy Windows. If you use Linux, click on Ventoy Linux, but we want to use Windows. The download has been started and finished. Close your browser. This PC. Download. This file is zip. Right click, extract all, extract. Open extract folder. Here is Ventoy 1.0. Find Ventoy 2D disk. Before this, plug in your flash drive on the Windows. I plug in 132 GB flash drive. You need to plug in above 16 gig. Come back to download. Find this one, double click, click on yes, click on install. If you get this warning, right here yes, it is capital letter. Click on OK. This device will be formatted and all the data will be lost. If you have any data, copy your files, then click on yes, again yes. It will take a few moments. Configuration finished, click on OK. Close it, again close it. Now copy your ISO file on the flash drive. You can copy 1 image or 2 images, or you can copy 3 or 4. Here I have 3 ISO. If you want to download Windows 11, 10 or 7, I have separate video for any of them. I will share on the description. This PC, your flash drive name will change to Ventoy. Open, paste here. Now we have 3 Windows on one USB flash drive, and also you can add other files, no problem. For example, I want to add one drive. Let us test one of them. It is other system, it is Windows 10. I want to test here. Restart your system. Press F12 for Dell, press F9 for HP. Select USB, hit enter. Secure boot. Look, here we have 3 Windows. Any of them you want, you can select. For example, I want to install Windows 10. This one is Windows 10. Select, enter. Here we have different options. Choose boot on normal mode. Press any key. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Now the installation process is start. If you want to install Windows 10, 11 or Windows 7, then watch this video. Have a good time.